This video will show you how to create a consolidated tagged object. This is an example of the consolidation feature of Excel Publish, where you can have data on multiple worksheets and you can then merge them into one data set table. And the secret is that you have to have the upper left location of each area in the same spot on each worksheet. So in this case, we have it on C3. The reason for that is that you could put other headings above or whatever you want above that. But what we have is C3 is the upper left of this table, C3 is the upper left of that table, and it's also the upper left of this table. So what I want to do is merge these all together into one. So as you set up your consolidation, all you have to do is tag the first range on the first worksheet. I'm going to call this console. And when I'm at this point, I'm going to click on my ellipsis, same ellipsis as for continuous and cube, and I'm going to choose consolidate and type a 3. And you'll notice it actually changes the name to console__3. So you could just type __3 and it would have the same impact. Let's go add and see what happens. So Publish is complete and it now shows 31 records, which proves that it has done more than just capture this first table. So if I now go to the target file and I go to console3, which is the results of this publish, you can see that each table has been added to this one master table, and the sheet number or the sheet name is the first field, and then your data starts in the second field and goes over as far as you need.